Hi guys, let's create a new project. Go to import media, select the video. Let's go with this one. Drag and drop to the timeline. Click on empty space. From the top, select aspect ratio 16:9 for horizontal mode. Select the layer, scale it up, try to fit to screen. Import the same video again to the timeline. Select the base video. From the right, select Effect, Blur, adjust the blur intensity, adjust the main video size and position as you like. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.